Dear ladies and gentlemen, friends and acquaintances across the globe, a very good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to all of you. Welcome to day 3 of Kaho Tech, a healthcare technology initiative from Kaho, the consortium of accredited healthcare institutions. This unique tech conference has been a real feast since last 2 days for those with a healthcare technology appetite, focusing on pandemic relevant topics such as how to scale up technology adoption in healthcare and on decoding the digital transformation in healthcare. And this third day is also going to be sizzling in terms of its intellectual content, unmatched contribution from celebrity speakers, and chairs conducting intriguing panel discussions. So here we start today the topic, interconnected healthcare ecosystem. So happy to invite and introduce our session head, Dr. Rajkumar B. Patil, the co-organizing chairman of Kaho Tech 21. He is the Director Medical Services of Bombay Hospital Trust. Dr. Rajkumar Patil, with more than 3 decades of experience in healthcare management, is known for his energetic outlook and a contagious smile. He is the head of quality and standards of patient care and also been the chairperson of the Human Organ Transplant Committee. Dr. Rajkumar is an adjunct faculty in BITS Pilani and is a member of the American College of Healthcare Executives. Over to you, Dr. Rajkumar, for the introduction of today's topic.
Thank you, Gayatri, for that those kind words. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to one and all. Welcome to this third day of Kaho Tech 2021. The first 2 days, we had the theme connecting healthcare and technology. The first day, the main theme was scaling technology adoption, and the second day was digital transformation and in healthcare. Kaho was born 8 years back, and already we have given, this is the 6th edition of Kaho Tech. And in this, the attendance has been the highest. And today, on the third day, we are having the interconnected healthcare ecosystem. At the outset, I would like to welcome our patrons, our office bearers of Kaho, the governing council members, the speakers, the chairpersons, the invitees, the delegates, of course, everybody. For this knowledge extravaganza, the past 2 days have been educational fiesta to all the attendees. Now today, we are going to learn more about the healthcare ecosystem, which connects the clinicians and the provider teams with people, enabling them to manage their health and wellness using digital tools in a secured and private environment, wherever and whenever care is needed. Operational care delivery processes are outcomes driven, informed by data and the real world. Evidence to achieve exceptional quality and safety and performance that is sustainable. According to me, the architecture of the healthcare ecosystem is defined by 5 Ps. And those are the patient, first one. Anyone who seeks medical care can be termed as the patient. The second P is about the providers, that is the doctors, the nurses, the therapists, the hospitals, the physician groups, the clinics, and other medical professionals and organizations that provide medical care to the patients. The payers, that is the health insurance companies that cover the cost of medical care, as well as the business organizations and individuals who either directly pay for care or pay for the insurance coverage. Then the fourth P is about the pharmaceutical companies, that is the makers of the drugs prescribed by the doctors and healthcare providers. Then last P is about the policy makers, very important, the government agencies and the industry organizations that set healthcare policy, write and enforce regulations, and oversee the industry standards. All these stakeholders play different individual roles, but they should be working together as a team towards the common goal of providing the safe patient care. The healthcare system is finally beginning to realize the benefits of incorporating technology that enables disconnected consumers and healthcare organizations to see and share individual patient data with each other with the permission of the patient. The government initiatives about the NDHM and the unique UHN is going to change the healthcare scenario in the future. With fully engaged and enlightened patients in control, providers, payers, and everyone across the healthcare ecosystem will need to become more closely aligned on driving positive outcomes for the overall patient health. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the lives of all the stakeholders, but technology has taken over by playing a major role in the communication and conveying which all of us have adopted to deliver care for our patients. The scenario has taught how technology is supporting educating our resident doctors, the nurses, the way we communicate with our patients and family members, treating the chronically ill patients, the telemedicine and the teleconsultation, and the list goes on and on and on. Today, we are going to learn more from the legendary speakers so that we can further enhance our knowledge horizon. Now, without further ado, I will declare this session of day 3 open and hand over the session's proceedings to Dr. Gayatri to carry on.
Thank you, Dr. Rajkumar, for setting the stage, for also giving us an insight into the healthcare ecosystem. Thank you so much.